Hi, so today I want to show you how it's easy to convert an mp4 into a GIF, a video into a GIF file with ffmpeg. You need to install ffmpeg, of course, and also to install ffmpy, this module for Python. So once you have Python, once you have installed ffmpeg, and once you have installed the module ffmpy with pip install ffmpy, you just have to do this: import ffmpy, and then create this object here, ff equal ffmpy.ffmpeg, with the inputs into this dictionary. You just got to put the input video you want to, where the original video is, and this value, it's none, and the output will be where you want to put your GIF file, and the output is none too. And so after you have run this, you do shift enter, and okay, I need to first of all import this and then run this. Then you do ff run, and then okay, let's see what happens. Maybe you cannot overwrite an existing file. Let me call this one like prova2, make it again, and then run it. You should see none and none here, and if you go into the folder where I put this thing here, there it goes. This is not the number 2. The original one is this one. This is the video. Okay, this is the video with the audio, and this is the converted GIF. Okay, you see it is a different resolution and no audio, and that's it. That's how easy it is to convert an mp4 if you have ffmpeg installed. And if you find in my videos, you will probably see how to install ffmpeg, and if you have this module ffmpy. Thank you, and see you next time.